Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You begin by stopping everything that can lock files. Close Fivem, launchers, and sign out the Xbox account in Windows if present. Next, back up your Fivem folders, server, CFG, custom resources, and any local profiles so you can revert if needed. Then, open the Fivem installation path and the game launcher folders. You're looking for Xbox-related DLLs or binding files. Once done, make sure you have admin rights because you'll be modifying protected files and registry entries shortly. You now remove the Xbox-specific components. Find Zinput DLLs and either delete them or rename them with a back extension so Fivem won't load them. Then open your Fivem or server config and remove any references to Xbox controller resources or bindings. This prevents automatic reloading. Also scan the resources folder for controller scripts that explicitly check for Xbox input and disable those folders. Make sure to keep a backup of every change so you can restore if something breaks. Finally, restart your PC so Windows clears any cached drivers and then launch Fivem to test. Confirm the Xbox input is no longer active or that another mapping system takes over. If you need drivers, install generic controller drivers, but avoid reinstalling Xbox services. If Fivem fails to start, restore the backups you made and inspect the Fivem logs for missing DLLs or resource errors. This tells you what to re-enable. One key troubleshooting tip. If controllers behave oddly, reapply one backup step at a time to isolate the fault.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.